listen to me very carefully. This is I am going to tell you a very important thing before I start today's command task. There are two golden rules which you must remember always for every minefield crossing. GT, HGT, command task, final group task. Which means 60% of the outdoor is minefield crossing only. First golden rule is wherever you have to cross a minefield, right? There are two options available to you. One is a muscle power idea, another is a non-muscle power idea, which is a superior idea. Which one you should adopt?
Non-muscle power idea.
Why? Please give me the reason. By heart नहीं करना कोई चीज को, सबकी पीछ की लॉजिक पता होना चाहिए आपको.
So it shows you're able to use your resources effectively.
Very good. So what does it mean? When you use the resources correctly, what does it mean?
You have a logical approach.
Yes. So as an officer, you need to use your brain power, your reasoning ability more than a Jawan, because Jawans are basically followers. You are the leader. I am not looking for a sheep, I am looking for the shepherd. So first golden rule is you will always use your brain power than your muscle power. You have to use the ideas which is using the helping material at the right place at the right time. Is it understood to you? Yes. Second golden rule, this is also very, very important for you to understand today. There are two types of categories of structures you will find there. One is a block which is like this. Yes, sir. Another is a structure. Block means it is hugging the ground. There is nothing there. Just block. But it is not minefield. Right? Second is structure which is erupted from the ground, which is, higher man. That means whenever you negotiate a block, which means you have to pass through the block on a minefield, you may use a muscle power idea which is correct because it is designed for a muscle power idea. However, when you have to pass through or negotiate or maneuver a structure, you will never use a muscle power idea. Never ever. Because it is designed for a non-muscle power
Non-muscle power
idea.
idea.
PGT1 देखो उधर, you will find PGT1 में there are no structures. Have you noticed this?
Yes, sir.
This is a design factor. So PGT1 में आपको structure नहीं मिलेगा, which means PGT1 will have muscle power idea abundant. समझ गए? In abundance मिलेगा आपको muscle power idea stage 1. But non-muscle power भी मिलेगा. For example, simple bridging. इसमें कौन सा muscle है? There also you will get, but mostly you will find muscle power ideas like fulcrums, 1/3 ideas, many ideas, right? However, when you go to structure, you will never use a muscle power idea. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Good. That's it.